Hey there parents, Mara here from Banana Panda. And guess what? We're about to make math time super fun for your little one. Let's dive into some awesome ideas to get them excited about playing with numbers. At the age of 3, your child might know many words and can communicate effectively. This is a time of growing independence and many questions as the child discovers the word. Your 3-year-old can count 2 or 3 things and is ready for new challenges. As you assemble the puzzle, remember a few simple tips for making playtime an educational adventure. Make sure your child is listening and looking at whatever you are talking about. Speak slowly and clearly and use your index finger to point to each picture. Assemble the puzzle from left to right. In this way, your child learns the proper direction for task execution. The most important thing, keep it fun. If your little one seems worn out or frustrated, save the game for another day. Happy playtime equals happy learning. The Make and Match puzzle number train provides many creative ways to play. I'll show you a few of them to try at home. Prepare 1 wagon and 2 number circles of your choice. Point to the passengers as you count them. Match the right number to the wagon and ask your child to do the same. Look, here are 4 koalas. Where's number 4? Yes, it's here. Gradually increase the number of wagons and circles to choose from. Assemble a train of 3 wagons. Ask your child to insert the correct number of circles. Then add an appropriate number of other items of cargo to each wagon like crayons or blocks. This game helps your child develop counting skills and hand-eye coordination. It trains the child of the right direction of task execution. Another way to play is to assemble the wagons with number circles in the correct order, but without the passengers. Choose the right number of animals for each wagon while counting aloud. 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. Assemble the train. Ask your child to match the correct passengers and number circle to each wagon. Lay out the wagons with number circles in a random order. Ask your child to match each wagon with the right number of animals. This game is really good for training the right direction of task execution and teaches cooperation. The last game I wanted to show you is Ticket Desk. This game develops creativity, memory, and concentration. Assemble the train without passengers. Prepare blocks or cards that the animals can use as tickets. Role-play buying and selling tickets for 1, 2, and 3 passengers. Count the animals and tickets. Hello, I'd like a ticket for 2 kangaroos. Here you go, tickets for 2. Buy tickets for more passengers with your roles reversed. Ready to get started? Try one of our fun ideas or come up with your own awesome games. You know your child best.